children. Today we will deal with the topic adjectives in grammar, that is chapter 3 in your Grammarite book. So, adjective is one of the parts of speech. As we know, the words are divided into 8 parts. One of that is adjective. So, what is an adjective? Word that describes the noun is called adjective. So when something is being said about the noun, that word will be an adjective. It tells us what kind of the person, the thing or the places, how many, how much, what color, etc. These information we get from the word adjective. Examples of an adjective, like when I say Samira loves spicy food. I gave a red rose to my teacher. The hall was empty. Nana bought 3 dresses. Now you will find the red words which have been underlined. Now they are placed before the noun like food, rose, hall. Hall is there. What kind of hall? Empty hall. What kind of dresses? How many dresses? 3 dresses. What kind of rose? Red rose. Food? Spicy food. So all these words, they tell something more about the noun. So these highlighted words, that is in red color, are termed as adjective. Again, there are few more examples of an adjective. Reena bought an expensive pair of shoes. I gifted my mother a blue sari. There are 12 crayons in the box. There is enough milk in the bottle. So here again you find we are saying more about the noun shoes, they are expensive, about the sari, blue in color, about the crayons, they are 12 in number, milk, enough. So these all are examples of again an adjective. So what kind of shoe? Expensive. What color of sari? Blue. Then how many crayons? 12. How much milk? Enough. Now, placement of adjectives. We found an empty room. Now, adjective empty is there which has been placed before the noun room. The room was empty. Here the adjective empty comes after the noun, that is room. Reena has a sweet voice. Now adjective sweet has come before the noun voice. Reena's voice is sweet. Here we find that the adjective has come after the noun voice. So here we find that sometimes the adjectives are placed before the noun and sometimes they are placed after the noun. Types of adjective. First is adjective of quality, which gives us the answers of what kind of. My sister has soft voice. What kind of voice? Soft. I prefer to sleep on a hard bed. What kind of bed? Hard. So all this will be adjective of quality. Adjective of quantity, it answers how much. Like I need some money, so there wasn't any water in the pitcher. Now let us see what is an adjective of number. Let us see what is an adjective of number. So it answers the questions how many. I bought 6 cakes. There are 7 Ashoka trees outside my house. So some words can be used as an adjective of quantity and also as an adjective of numbers. Like give me some milk, it is used for quantity. There are some boys in the park for number, because boys can be counted. So some we have also used for number and some also we use for the quantity. So some words like some can be used both as a quantity and number. Then we have demonstrative adjective. It points out which person or things are meant. I hate such things. This boy is stronger than that boy. These mangoes are sweet. So demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronoun help us to point out at things. Demonstrative adjective is followed by noun. On the other hand, demonstrative pronoun stands alone. Now, when I say this boy, you will find here Boy is a noun, so there this in the first sentence, this boy, so boy, this comes before the noun boy, so that will be your demonstrative adjective. But on the other hand, demonstrative pronoun stands alone because they don't qualify any noun over there. Possessive adjective answers the question whose. Our teacher is very kind. Please return his book. Uma loves her dog. So possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns shows the ownership. Possessive adjective is followed by a noun, and the other hand, so always you find the possessive adjective when we say like his book. Book is a noun, so his comes before the noun book, so it will be a possessive adjective, whereas the possessive pronoun stands alone. Interrogative, which answers the question whose or whom. Whose book is this? What books are you reading? Which pen do you want? So here whose is this book is an, so whose, what, which, all these when it asks the questions, they are interrogative adjectives. Now let us see the formation of adjectives. Now rules by adding the suffixes like ous, ic, able. Like from honor, it will become honorable. From beauty, it will become beautiful. Now adjective from verb, like cheer, it will become cheerful. Taste will become tasteless. Adjectives from adjectives, like red will become reddish. Two will become twofold. Now order of adjectives. When we use more than one adjective to describe a noun, we have to follow certain orders. Like the very first in a sentence, when we have the so many adjectives at a time, then the very first adjective will be of number, like 115, followed by opinion, ugly, smooth, then size, huge, minute, age, adolescent, aged, shape, square, triangular, purpose, sports, domestic, material, jute, origin, Indian, color, pink. So these should be always the sequence. So whenever you have a so many adjectives, first you will find that you have a number, then opinion, size, age. So this way we should always place the adjectives accordingly, according to this order only. Like we cannot put the size first, followed by number, then age. Always the age should be followed by the size. So these rules you should learn. Now, so children, I think you are now clear with this very term adjective and its kinds, and also the formation of adjectives and the orders of adjectives. So you all are required to read the chapter thoroughly, go through all the examples and watch the video carefully before doing the exercises. So till then children, thank you for listening. Thank you.